Hey, Ice and the fans. This is a completely random video I wanted to make. Well, actually, it's not completely random. Well, cause somebody, asked me to make this. So, yeah. Here's an Earthbound modding guide. So, yeah, as you can see here, I've uploaded, quite a few Earthbound mods. I've made Earthbound Blue. I've made Earthbound Ultimate, which is probably one of the most popular. There's the Earthbound Danish translation, the Game Boy Advance. This is a tutorial on how to mod the SNES version, but, I will say that the Game Boy Advance version is a little bit easier to mod. There's Mother 3 SNES Edition, made with Earthbound Randomizer. Earthbound Jeff Edition, also Earthbound Randomizer. Earthbound Rev Redux, and a couple Minecraft mods like the Block Sandwich mod, and a game I've made called The Glitchlands, which is pretty good. It's actually on the Nintendo Game Boy. Here, let me show you. So yeah, as you can see here, The Glitchlands is just some basic browser game. Slightly similar to Earthbound. This music is probably a bit loud, but luckily you can press F to just mute the music. You can use magic, which is similar to Earthbound's PSI. You can check stuff. You can teleport. And there's a magic spell that just makes you fall to sleep. Like, that's all it does. You just kind of go to sleep. Anyway, here is the Game Boy version that I was talking about. Yes, I know how to make Game Boy games, but this is an Earthbound modding tutorial, not how to make games for the Game Boy. So first, you're going to need a little piece of software called Coil Snake that lets you, kind of decompile the game. There are two ways to decompile the game, and I'm going to show you both. So first, the first way to do it is to just, just do this, really. So what you got to do is get the game right here and put it into this part. Then make a folder and call it anything, really. Whatever you want your mod to be called. I guess I'll just call it mod. Choose output directory and then click that folder. And then click decompile. Click yes. And yeah! A lot of the stuff is gonna get decompiled. And you've also got to click decompile script if you want to change some of the dialogue. But the other way and the easier way is just to get my Earthbound decompilation from Game Banana right here. Anyway, to decompile the script, you got to basically just kind of do the same thing. And then click decompile script. It is recommended that you back up your project before proceeding, like it says here. I also really recommend that, but if you just want to do it, just click yes. If you want to make a backup, click no and make a backup. See, everything in this CC script folder this is all dialogue, right? And this one right here is it's just blank, really. Nothing in it. Not really useful at all. Oh yeah, and also, put the game in this folder, just so you know where the mod is. Alright, so, this patches thing right here just lets you add a bunch of stuff, like blue magic. I don't really know what this does. You can enable a run button, which is something a lot of Earthbound players want. I didn't really think that the game needed it, but I guess we'll enable it. There's also this alternate run button. I don't really know what the alternate option does, but I guess you can find that out yourself, because I don't know what it does. And I also don't know what this EB++ version does. Well, actually, I kind of do know. I think all it does is just kind of making custom cutscenes and stuff easier. I think that's what it does. I don't know. And when you're done, click save and close out of it. So let's say this mod replaced all the music in the game. So if you want to replace the music, you have to go into the enemy configuration table. Go find the enemy you want to change. Let's find the Spiteful Crow, I think. All the enemies have like a little ID right here. Oh wait, this is the runaway dog. So now you know that now you know the runaway dog's ID is the number 211. You can change its name, like you can change it to Super Evil Doggo. And you can change things like its HP number, like let's change 21 to 1. Yeah, weakest enemy in the game. And to change the music, you got to go here to music. I don't really know all the music numbers. They're kind of random, but I know 99 is battle against Master Belch. 102 is battle against an unsettling opponent, which is the one that's like one of my favorite songs from the game. And 53 is the Happy Happy Village theme. And once you're done editing, click save. But what if you want to oh, I just got a notification about something. So, what if you wanted to change how the player looked? Well, you have to click on this folder called Sprite Groups, and yeah, so 1 is Ness, 2 is Paula, 3 is Jeff, and 4 is Pooh. Now, this one here actually isn't the pajama sprite used in the beginning of the game. This is actually the one in Magicant. The one that's used at the beginning of the game, I think, is this one right here, 437. So let's say we wanted to replace Ness with Picky. Yeah, let's replace Ness with Picky, right? So here's Picky's sprite right here, and we have to change the name of it to whatever Ness's is, or the one you want to change. So for Ness it's 001, so let's change that to 001, and now Picky should be Ness when we load up the game, or Ness should be Picky. And when you want to, you know, actually make your mod a playable mod, you have to click on compile. You have to choose the unedited game right here. Then you have to choose the folder that it's in. Then you have to choose the one you want to patch. Choose the one in the folder though. Don't choose the original game, because if you just kind of play the game on your PC or something and choose to patch the original game, you could lose your save data, everything could get corrupted or something like that. So use the copy that's in the folder. Then you have to click this, then click compile. And now the mod should be loading and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so now it's done loading. Let's test the mod. Start up a new save file, and this should look like Picky. And hey, it worked! Check it out! And you can change their default names by going into this file right here called Don't Care Names, and just kind of, you know, edit them. Like, you can change Ness to Picky, but then you'll have to kind of, like, you know, kind of update it. And now the runaway dog should be the Super Evil Doggo. So let's just go and find one of the runaway dogs real quick. Here. Oh. I think we may have changed the more powerful runaway dog, but at least the Picky thing worked. Anyway, bye!